Complete tool definitions are key to accurate simulation. Here's a CAM quick tip to apply holders to your tools faster so you can get out to your machine and make parts. Let's look at the simulation for setup 1. Notice that not all of the tools have holders. We don't know if there are any collisions, and an operator reading a setup sheet won't be able to determine what holder the programmer had intended to be used. In the document tool library, we can see that tool 2 through 8 need a holder. To select a holder one tool at a time, edit the tool and select a holder you'd like to use from the list on the Holder tab. But here's the quick tip. You can actually apply a holder to multiple tools at once. Here's how. First, find a tool holder that you would like to use. In this case, a Haas Tooling ER32 collet holder will work for all of these tools. Then, copy the tool using the right-click context menu or Ctrl-C. After the holder has been copied, select all of the target tools by using Ctrl or Shift-click. Then, right-click and select Apply Holder to Tools. And that's it. We can click through the tools in the document once again to verify that they each have a holder, and also run the simulation again to check for any collisions. This feature is quite useful when the tool count grows, such as when managing holders on a part with a few dozen tool holders, or even a shop tool library with hundreds of tools. Thanks for watching this Fusion CAM quick tip, and I hope the time you spent watching this video saves you some time in the shop.